Hey everyone, I'm Himanshu Gautam. I'm studying in Dehradun Hills Academy, and I would like to share my experience what I had today. So we have learned today how to pitch a tent, how to how to make fire and manage to make food from that. And it was tough, challenging also. We did a challenge between two teams so that we can learn something or to go on the track so we can do something.
So as you know that you have done it before also. So what do you think we should be doing it more often on every weekend? Do-
Yes, so we should be doing because
So
that's how
which
we learn.
okay. So do you think are you ready to go on a real outing, night out in the wilderness?
Yes, sir, but so for that I have to be little more conscious about that and to learn more.
Because you've learned um, how to pack a backpack,
Yes, sir.
how to pitch a tent, how to light a fire, and how to make a food with the limited resources.
Yes, sir.
So, how was your experience? Was it great?
Yeah, it was great. It was enjoyable.